She will play it because she's crazy. Reviewer, gamer. Hopefully this song is shorter for you guys because she thinks the last one was too long, but she still is a crazy cat lady. You gamer. Hopefully this is the last one because like before, I don't like singing these songs.
Hi everybody, so sorry that my Captain America video was a little messed up. I'm fixing it right now, but I finished Warriors Rising Storm. So like always, spoilers, because I'm going to talk mostly about what happens in this book. Why did you bother making a story from book about Tiger Heart, or Tiger Star the Second, about him looking like somewhat a good guy, somewhat. In this book, you try to make him be like the one who wants to get rid of the Sky Clan. He doesn't go as far as poisoning one of them, but he's the one that picks up one of the warriors that was part of Dark Tale's group and betrayed him and his dad, Rolling Star. And what you think was gonna happen. And back on her time, we had to deal with Trick Branch and Finleap. Finleap's like saying,
"You need to get pregnant. I came over here to get you pregnant. Yada 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 yada.
What kind of boyfriend are you? What kind of man are you? Like, it's up to her when she wants to get pregnant. And the fact that the one her time they're saying no, don't do that. And at the end of the book, she ends up being pregnant. What's the point of putting that lesson down her throat if you're gonna make her pregnant at the end of the book? Anyway. And killing Ginger Claw is not gonna make what he did to poor Sparrow Pelt. He didn't kill him, but he did poison him. He did poison Sky Clan by putting death berries that he got from Elderheart. By stealing from Elderheart when he was trying to do a weird way of saving Petal Shine by using a berry that kills things. It's because it worked on a rabbit. Petal Shine didn't die, but still. Yeah, let's use something that kills cats to save a cat. Come on, it killed Broken Star. What are you thinking? You almost killed Soytail. What are you thinking, Elder Heart? Just because Juniper Claw goes and saves Shadow Kit from drowning does not mean he's redeemed. He should go to Dark Forest though, because he says, I thought I was helping the clans. Hello? After Sky Clan leaves, it starts raining. A lot of other cats could have died because you had to put bad berries into their food. I didn't want to die, but he needs to understand just because you're saving their cat, it means almost forgiven. Now, in the next series, we're gonna have Violet Shine and Tree Branch both having kits because Tree got Violet Shine pregnant too. They're so young. They're just barely. You're not. Are you? I heard you're not supposed to get cats or dogs pregnant on their first in heat. They're so young. You're not supposed to do that. It's not healthy. Don't they? It's like Aaron's don't do their research. So, the book was okay. Just didn't like a lot of stuff. The fact that Tawny Pelt's still not going to end up being Clan Shadow Deputy for Shadow Clan. We finally got her as deputy. We finally got her, and now some nobody Cloverfoot's going to be deputy too. Made deputy instead after Juniper Claw died. Why make your mother a deputy if you're not going to keep her deputy? I don't get you. Tiger Star second. So, at least Barney wants to stop reading these books, but I still have Gray Stripe, even though he was not mentioned once in this book. He did not even talk. Why keep him alive if you're not gonna, he's not gonna talk? And we still got Bramble Star. We still got two of my favorite characters still alive in this book, in these books. But so I give this. I mean, I did like cool things. I do like finally that we got Sky Clan part of the groups now. But I should kill some Thunder Clan cats or put some of them in the Elder's Den, like Cloudstar, Cloud Tail should go to the Elder's Den. So should Brackenfur. So should Thornclaw. So should Brightheart. Those guys are pretty old now. They should go to the Elder's Den. Those are the 4 cats that were kind of alive during the first book. They were just kittens, but they were still alive. So, I give this book 6 out of 10.
Hi everybody. So I give the book 3 paws. Do better, Aaron's. I know it's not the same without Vicky, but still, do better. Bye-bye.
Bye.